How to get more calls from your webinar funnel with the Hot 7's ad sequence. Now, over the next few minutes, I'll show you how to use the Hot 7 conversion ad sequence to turn your webinar viewers into booked calls. Do you want my Hot 7 ad sequence templates? And then you set this up in less than an hour, okay? Drop the word hot below. I can send this over to you. Hi, I'm Tina Sandford, and I'm the founder of tinasandford.com. Since 2020, I specialize in advertising for businesses worldwide, focusing on highly effective, low-cost video ads. Now, I did retire in 2010, and here I am now to help you leverage video ads to grow your business, but more importantly, to free up your time. So let's talk about a big challenge that webinar funnel owners actually face right now. You're getting leads to register and you're getting them to watch your webinar, but a huge portion of those viewers just stop short of booking in a call with you. And this is frustrating because you've already spent money on ads and time on the webinar too. And your leads are clearly interested. I mean, they signed up and they watched your content, but they're just not taking that next step. Now, what we find is most business owners assume that the issue is actually with the webinar itself. They think, well, maybe my webinar isn't convincing enough, or maybe I need to add more proof, or maybe I just need to tweak my pitch. So what happens is they spend weeks re-recording their webinar and they add more slides, or they test tiny changes too. But here's why that doesn't work right now. The problem isn't necessarily with your webinar. The issue could be with what happens after your leads are watching it. They leave your webinar and, like most people, they just get distracted. They then forget about you. There's a lot of noise going on. Or maybe they're just not quite ready to take action yet, and then they forget about you. But this is where the Hot 7 conversion ad sequence actually comes in. This sequence is a series of 7 carefully crafted retargeting ads that are designed specifically for webinar funnel leads who've already engaged with your content. They're warm, yeah? And here's why it works. Each ad in the sequence serves a specific purpose. Some ads remind your leads of the value you offer. Others address common objections that might be holding them back, like, will this work for me? Or, what's the risk? The ads also meet your leads where they are. If they're still unsure, the ads actually gently nudge them towards taking the next step for them, and without being pushy. Let me give you an example. Okay, one of the ads in the sequence might simply share a client success story, something that would show them how someone just like your lead went from struggling, then to booking a call, and then achieving their goals. Another ad might share a quick video addressing the most common question or doubt you hear from leads who are on the fence. Now, the beauty of the Hot 7 sequence is that it reconnects your leads with your message at the perfect time for them, when they've already engaged with your webinar, but they just need that extra encouragement to book in a call with you. The best part, though, you don't have to spend hours creating new content for these ads, because if you use my Hot 7 ad sequence templates, you can have everything you need to get these ads up and running really fast. You can do it within a couple of days. So if you're ready to turn more of your webinar leads into booked calls, just drop the word hot below. I'm happy to send you the templates. Now, with this sequence in place, you will see more leads coming back to booking calls, and you'll finally get the return on investment you've been looking for from your webinar funnel.